How long can a man stay away from his wife? Does this impact their nikah? A lot of the people, especially from the subcontinent, think that if a man does not meet his wife for like 3 years, 4 years, then the marriage contract is dissolved automatically. And this is baseless. Once the marriage contract is conducted, then it cannot be broken unless one of them dies, unless there's a divorce, khul', or separation. Forced separation by the Muslim ruler due to one of the spouses committing apostasy, many reasons within the power of the Muslim ruler or the Muslim judge. Which means that if a man marries a woman and he goes to a foreign country and stays there for 20 years without them communicating or coming to contact, without the woman seeking khul' from the Muslim authorities in her country, without the man divorcing, and they come after 20 years, they're still man and wife without any problem. So this concept of a marriage being broken or affected if they don't meet one another or they don't have any intimacy is totally baseless, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.